What's up, y'all? It's your boy Smalls the Contractor. In this video, I'll be showing how to get perfect door holes every time using the Ryobi door hole jig. First, you're going to want to start off by fastening the jig itself to the door. That way it stays in place while you cut out your holes using the provided bits. The first bit is a 2 1/8 inch hole saw. You're going to want to drill on both sides, that way you get a nice clean cut. Then you're going to come and drill out the hole for your actual lock with a 1-inch drill bit. That's it. Nice and simple. Clean cuts every time.